Good morning, children. Today we'll continue the third part of the physical division, the peninsular plateau. You can see the map properly. So Narmada River on the map of India. This Narmada Soan Rift Valley divides peninsular plateau into two major parts. First one is the northern part is called Malwa Plateau, southern part is called the Deccan Plateau, and Aravalli Range lie to the northwest of Malwa Plateau and Vindhyas to light of the south. So Mount Gauri Shankar is the actually highest peak in Aravalli. In this Aravalli, I think you can zoom the video and you can see that Aravalli is the highest peak. So some other parts of ranges are Satpura, Maikala, Rajmahal, Amara, Kantaka ranges lie also north side of the Deccan Plateau. Western Ghats in the west and the Eastern Ghats in the east side. Annamalai, Kardama and Palani hills are the south of the Western Ghats. The Western and Eastern Ghats are the very important, and they'll meet both these Western and Eastern Ghats meets in the down south part, that is called Nilgiri Hills. Udakamandala Ooty, everybody know it. Ooty, famous hill station is situated here. Where just I told you Nilgiri Hills there, and many rivers peninsular India have their course in the Western Ghats. Peninsular means three sides of water. Our southern parts, here you can see the southern part of our India is covered with three sides of water. Some characteristics are plateau is a extensive almost level surface which are bounded by steep slopes are also there, and landform extensive areas of relatively flat land. And Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. This is a very important question actually. Which is the largest plateau of India is Deccan Plateau. It is made up of ancient hard rocks. Advantages: it is rich in minerals, so we'll get the minerals here, and helpful for the cultivation of crops also, and it is the birthplace of the many waterfalls and which is usage for the hydroelectricity. And several empires you will be studying in the 6th standard rule here. For example, Rashtrakutas, Chalukya, Hoysala, Vijayanagaras, Kadambas, Gangas, and the Bahumani. Apart from this, some questions will be given. Mention the names of the two important, that is Deccan Plateau and the Malwa Plateau. These questions I am going to take in the exercises. Now we will study the next fourth one. It is a coastal plains. Now we will have the map of this. So it is western coastal plains. So coastal plains is a study a flat low laying land between the coast and the higher land. It is called the interior part of this is called a coastal plains, and India is having a long coastal plains are located in our country. And if you see the map, western coastal plains lies between the Western Ghats. Very easily can visible here through the map we can see that, and the Western Ghats in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. You can see the Arabian Sea, it is in the west side, and it extends from the Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat. See there, green side shaded part is up to the Gujarat, and also in the north to Kanyakumari to south. From north to Kanyakumari south, here you can see this last line. And the eastern coastal plains lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Right side you can see that it is a Bay of Bengal. It extends from Gangetic Delta to northern down Kanyakumari. And both the coastal plains many ports are there. It's a birthplace. It is a area of main ports, that is called Gandala in Gujarat, Mumbai, and Navashriya in Maharashtra, Marma in Goa state, Navamangaluru in Karnataka, Kochi in Kerala, Tuticorin, Chennai, Ennore, Tamil Nadu, Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Paradeep in Odisha, Haldia and Kolkata in West Bengal. These are the main seaports in India. This is also very important. I am going to send you the pic. You have to read this properly. This is the coastal line, what they are showing in the map, and these are the 9 important ports in the in one of the 9 important ports is Navamangaluru. New Mangaluru port is a called as Gateway of Karnataka. Navamangaluru port is called as a Gateway of Karnataka. So of course fishing is a very important and the main occupation of the people living here, and they'll eat flesh and the prawns, spinach also. They'll eat spinach, ivy gourd, black weed, and the sambar cucumber also they will be eaten by these people. And they'll grow, apart from this they'll grow paddy, areca nut, coconut, cashew nut, cardamom, banana, with some vegetables also they will be growing apart from the sea area, beach area, what we are calling. And boiled rice also very famous here. And these houses having the sleep stopping roofs due to the heavy rain, because they'll get a heavy rain. And some questions are there, sea borders of course Karnataka, and these all the questions will be I'm sending in the exercise part. And striking sea waves bring great delight to your mind eyes. I think Ullal Beach, Malpe, Kopa, so all are having the beach 1 day trip or 2 to 3 days trip. So these are the famous beaches here. And some of the, now you can see the coastal plain. See here, Konkan coast, Kananda coast. So here from whatever the black shaded part is called the coastal area from west to east. See children, you just observe whatever the picture I am sending here, whatever the maps I am sending here, it is very important that you have to observe the area of the coastal plains of India. See children, it is extended from, it lies between the Western Ghats here, west side, Arabian Sea, it is near the Arabian Sea, and the east side it is the Bay of Bengal. You can very easily observe. See children, it is very closer to your eyes. Actually this is the northern side. Here this you can see the eastern coastal plain, here the western coastal plains,